Parts of the UAE have been hit by severe thunderstorms and heavy rains, leading to extensive flooding and waterlogging, particularly in Dubai. The extreme weather has significantly disrupted traffic and flight operations across the UAE. The Ministry of Interior in the UAE reported varying intensities of rain, wind, thunder, lightning, and hail across the country. Warnings have been issued by Dubai authorities, advising people to avoid beaches and areas susceptible to flash floods. They have also urged drivers to exercise caution on the roads. Travelers are encouraged to check traffic updates and allocate ample time for airport travel, especially if using the Dubai Metro. They are also advised to check online for flight updates. The National Center of Meteorology, NCM, in the UAE has documented heavy rainfall in several areas, including Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Fujairah, Ajman, and Ras Al Khaimah. Motorists traveling on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road between Al Rashidiyah Bridge and Sharjah have been advised by Dubai authorities to exercise caution and consider alternative routes due to the severe weather. Given Dubai's unpredictable climate, educational institutions, including private schools, nurseries, and universities, are being advised to consider flexible learning options and distance learning for students. The Dubai Meteorological Department has issued orange and yellow alerts. In the event of a red alert, individuals are advised to take action and exercise extreme caution due to the prediction of exceptionally intense and dangerous weather events. Government employees in Dubai have been urged to work remotely in response to the unexpected severe weather. In response to the flooding, the UAE has deployed 94 tanks, 207 mobile pumps, and 5 high-capacity cleaning pumping vehicles to aid in the cleanup of flooded areas.